Hi, so I wanted to show you how you can upload your first priority and second priority list in XenCall. So once you're in, click on leads, then click on uploads. Now look for your list. Let me get mine. And then if it's your first time uploading a list, it will ask you to map your list. So the fields on the left, this is the one coming from your file, and the fields on the right are the ones that is within XenCall. So as you can see, ours is already mapped. All that I need to do is just upload it. If there's a field that you wanted to add, like for example, you wanted to add the phone type, um, if it's not part of your fields within XenCall yet, you can add it as a new text field. On my end, we already have that, so I can just look for phone type. Okay. And map it and match it. I mean, so for the file name, it's defaulted as first priority, but of course, each of your file they have their own campaign, right? So for this list, this is actually coming from McLennan. High equity and tax levy. So I will rename this first priority and include that. So my first priority should be in my number quality score A through E. In our system, we have it as number quality score or NQS A through E. But in your end, you can add it as a first priority or a second priority. It's very dependent on you. So if it's your first time uploading a list, you don't need to worry about this. But if it's your second time, or you've been uploading lists from time to time already, then you have an option to either reject duplicates, accept duplicates, or merge the data for the duplicates that we have on file. What's good about merging the data for the duplicates is it will append the information that we already have in XenCall. So if in any case the phone number was updated, that information will be updated as well and will be contacted again. Rejecting the duplicates completely, even that if that number is not contacted before, it will be disregarded or it will not be uploaded by the system. So I always choose merge duplicates data. So once you're done with that, you can just click on done import leads. And wait for the list to finish uploading. So as you can see, it tells me that there's 2,121 duplicate phone numbers, and the accepted leads is 1,397. So if you wanted to take a look at your playlist and add a priority, you click on General Leads and click on the playlist. So on our end, we have optimal call window and also the number quality score, F through J, and A through E. So again, the number quality score A through E, that is your first priority, and the second priority is the number quality score F through J. So I put a priority 9 as the highest for the first priority. You can just click on edit this playlist and then look for the campaign and look for that number quality score A through E, or in your case, first priority campaign, and you can just drag and drop that. And then times called, it's up to you. If you wanted to like custom range it, you can just put in 0 to 35, or you can adjust this. Or if you just wanted to focus on never called, you can do that as well. You just have to drag and drop it. Let me just remove this and then hit save. Now you can add a queue member. So I created a group for our XenCall, we have openers and closers. So if you go to users, these are our ISAs. So we have openers, which is Alicia, and then the rest will be in the closers. So I usually use Alicia. What I can do is just click on Add Queue Member, and instead of adding it one at a time, I add them by by the group. So closers, admin, openers, and this one number quality score is assigned to her since it's a pretty small list. Now the dialer speed, you can change that depending on if you want it aggressive or if you want it to be auto configured. And then the last one is machine detection. So you can also choose what type of detection you would like, but this is what we recommend. What else? It pretty much applies to the rest of the second priority list. If you wanted to focus on the optimal call window, I can create a separate video for that. We have created an automation within XenCall for the optimal call window, but we highly suggest you focus on the number quality score, as that's how we get most of our conversion. So yeah, if you have a question, just send me a message. Just send me an email. Thank you.